Hey guys, I wanted to make a video on getting logged into Seneca and finding your upcoming assignments for the week. At this point, I've already gotten logged in with my teacher email. You can see it's Seneca for Teachers, but what's really nice is that I can actually switch over to the student platform and be able to see what you guys see when you get logged in. So if you head on over to classes and assignments, we know that our class is 7th grade Project Lead the Way. My upcoming assignments, so today is May 3rd. Your day 10 is due tomorrow on May 4th by 2:30 p.m. And your newest assignment, so that'll be, I believe, day 13, will be posted today, May 3rd, at 3:30 p.m. So this is going to be due tomorrow. And then, of course, we know that on Sundays, all of our new assignments for the entire week, so we are in day 6, of distance learning, that'll be posted today, May 3rd as well. If you go into your past assignments, I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. So from the student perspective, I actually started going through and solving some of these so I can take screenshots and begin to upload the answers for you guys when you get stuck. So I can see that there are 2 different portions of distance learning day 4. I've only completed half of them. I can see my percentage. That's awesome. And then I have all these other potential assignments that I have not yet done. So even if you're getting onto Seneca late, or you've missed an assignment, or you have gotten behind for some reason, you can always go back into past assignments and find something. But the most important one is upcoming assignments. So again, day 10 is due by tomorrow. And then the other upcoming assignments will all be posted today. That's May 3rd by 3:30. So if I go into courses, there are 2 different courses that I have available for you guys. We're going to be getting into chemistry after we finish up physics, because we are still in physics right now. And I'm getting a lot of questions from students like, hey, when you post funny numbers on Google Classroom, I don't know what it means. I don't know how to find my assignments. So if you go into electricity and I said, all right, you're going to be completing, 4.2.1, there's all these little drop-down menus under electricity. So electricity is chapter 4. So if I go to 4.2, that's resistance and electrical work. 4.2.1 is just resistance. Okay, so these are where those drop-down menus are actually coming from, because there's chapters, and then there's sections, and then there's specific objectives within that. What's also really nice is that this little sidebar also has your assignments here. So again, we have day 10, which is due tomorrow. Here we have wrong answers. Okay, so if you've ever gotten something wrong on a previous assignment, you can actually go back in and see where that error is coming from, or where that misunderstanding is, to go back and fix. If, hypothetically speaking, you're like, hey, Miss Vogel, this is super, super easy, I'm getting through all of my work really fast, and I'm bored, you can boost your memory strength with smart algorithms and do some smart learning and have some enrichment in that regard. Back up here. So your knowledge score, your questions answered, and your total learning time is going to be different than what my screen shows, because again, I haven't gone through from the student perspective and actually been solving questions to get scores, which is why the learning time is so much lower. But I will be doing that to upload the answers to you guys. If I look back on my teacher platform for 7th grade, so within physics, I can see how many sessions as a class we've completed, how many questions we've answered, and of course our study duration. You can see that this all has been going up because more and more students have been joining, more and more students have been completing their distance learning assignments, which has been really great. If you have any questions, concerns, complaints, please reach out to me. And as always, I hope you have a safe, happy, healthy week, and I've always hoped to see you soon.